than a grown-up girl. You can't make hair. You can't do makeup. You can't bake. No skill. You are looking forward to marriage to become a liability. In this generation, where even men have become stylists. There are some young men, when they make your hair, some ladies prefer them than fellow ladies. They take their time. You're saying yes, sir. You're saying yes, sir. You're saying yes, sir.
Make money. Auntie, try and make money with your hand. Hand work pays a lot. Extra income. Yes. Welcome to Deck Beauty. Hello, everyone. This is Deck Beauty. If today is your first time you come across my video on this, my channel and my page, we show how to achieve different head wrap style, and we also show how to apply makeup on your face by yourself. I have many videos that will help you to achieve that beauty you want. I call it Operation Do It Yourself. Operation You Cannot Be Left At. This is 2022. Operation Stand Up from your seats. Operation Wake Up from your sleep. Operation No More Excuse, I can't do it. Operation You Can Do It if you are willing to do it. Yes. Guys, I have many videos, as I earlier said, on this my page, in case you are watching me from Facebook or from YouTube. I have many different head wrap style. Easy one day, hard style day, difficult one day. 3 minutes of Gele is there. Any S style wrap, all of them, all the name. I even create some that there are some Gele styles that are not on Instagram. Many people that teach me how to tie Gele, those boys, they even tell me that they can tie on someone's head, but you can tie on someone's head and you can tie on your head by yourself, all style. Yes, guys, the reason I'm making this video, I just want to encourage anybody hearing the sound of my voice that in case you are looking for how to make extra income, you can create it for yourself. Create it, no more excuse. You see this mannequin head, this dummy I'm using, this head is mannequin. This mannequin head is not tired. Because the reason I demonstrate my mannequin head, you see, this is what I used to practice. If you have baby girl or you have your friend, you are waiting for your friend to bring her head for you, or your girl to bring her head for you. You see this style is called crossing. This style is called crossing. I'm not just explaining this style. The reason for this video is to tell you to pick up in case you want to do extra income. This is how to do it. So what I am trying to say, where I want to create Ruffles V shape at the front with this dummy, as you hear the sound of my voice, just focus your eye on my hand as well. See the way I'm doing it. But though my mannequin head and the stand is a little bit slack because of the class I do 3 days ago. The lady, I don't know the plastic under the dummy head. So, but you can use, even without stand, dummy head stand, you can place the dummy head on your leg. Place it on your leg and use it to practice. And when you want to practice, be serious about it. Be serious. Because many people call me in different countries. There, can you travel to this country? There, can you travel to this country? I tell them, I can travel all over the world if you can pay me. It's not the same amount. People that are based in London, like me, I live in United Kingdom, London. You will not expect the money I collect for inside London. Now I can collect you will coming from France, or you coming from Germany, you coming from Canada to come and do your makeup. You want to do celebration. It's not the same amount, auntie. Okay. What I was trying to say, if you have baby girl, you are using her to practice, she will be tired. But mannequin head will never be tired. This is mannequin head. Or you have a friend, you are begging her, please come and do more there for me. I want to use your head to practice. She go tired. She will be tired. You understand? She will be tired. So the best way for you, if you want to learn how to tie Gele, you know, say you are ready. You know that some people will say they want to learn something, but they are not serious about it. If you know you are serious, like me, there is no style I cannot tie, except if the fabric is not there. If the particular length or the wideness is not there. Many people will show me style. I want to do this style. And that style they show me, now 5 layers, they do this style. And the person that want that style now have 3 layers. And they have short length. So, if you have the particular length and the wideness, I can achieve any hairstyle for you. How did I learn it? And we are still learning. I'm still learning different style every day. I use this mannequin head to practice. This mannequin head is my friend that I use. Buy it. You can get this mannequin head on any hair shop. Or tell them to buy it from Nigeria for you. Or buy it online. Buy it online. You can use this mannequin head to create any hairstyle. You see that under where I because the mannequin head, this my mannequin head is just shaking because that place to hang it inside the stand, the plastic under there is broken. So the plastic under my mannequin head is broken. That is the reason my mannequin head is just dancing around. But anyway, if it dances around, I will bring the head to the position I like. You are hearing the sound of my voice. You are complaining you don't have work, you don't have work. I don't like women that are liability to their husbands. I'm so sorry to say this. I am so sorry in case you are in that category. Not that I hate you, but I don't just, you cannot be my friend. You cannot. Not that with a quarrel. We can never be friends. We can never be friends. We can just be talking, but I see that you are so wicked. You are so wicked. I call it wickedness. Even though you are not bringing income to your house now, but you are working towards it, it's fine. You are working towards it, at least by this time next year, you start bringing income. How are you going to work towards it? It's by you learn one or two things. By the time you learn one or two things this year, next year, you start using it to bring income to your life or to your house, to your marriage. You understand? You are young. Except, I always tell people, except if you know, say, you are pregnant. You know, say, many pregnancy, they make, like me, if I'm pregnant, if you see me, you will just run. You don't want to be pregnant because of my condition. You know, say, everybody have different condition when you are pregnant. If you are pregnant, it's not your fault. You can just stay inside there with your pregnancy. And if you just put to bed, it's not your fault. Nursing mother, not be your fault. Or, God forbid, you know where you are sick. You have health condition. No problem. Not be your fault. These three category is not your fault. Or you did 60 years, as you hear my voice, so you are like 60 years. No, 60 years. They still do. Yes, maybe you are 70 years. Let me say 70. Yes, this 4 category. You are 70 years. You are pregnant, or you just put to bed, or you have health problem. You know where doctor will just write you off and say you can't walk. Because I have many people that have health issue. Health issue that they still have is big one. I have many people, because of this my handwork, I have many people that have heart problem, kidney problem, different problem. They still do one or two things. Okay, like this Gele head wrap, you can learn it in your country or in your city. Just use it to get income. Create it for yourself. Now handwork, now inside hand it day. You see what I'm demonstrating now? I'm not using computer. I'm not using I don't know. I'm using my hands. Anywhere I go, your hand must go with you. So it's your handwork. It's inside your hands. You see, final. This is the final one. This tie, as you see this tie, so this tie, if I want to tie this tie for celebrant, the lowest price is £50. 50. The lowest. You see, it's very easy. Very easy. This style you just see, so you can learn any style. If you don't like to learn Gele, or you can learn makeup, or look for anything, but the main target is look for something to do. This year is going. If you start learning anything from now, next year you will take yourself away from that group of liability women that just want, they don't even have anything doing. Even though you don't get work, create work for yourself. Create it. God created ample. Somebody like you and I created ample juice. Create something for yourself. Create something for yourself, my lady. Anywhere you do, even though you did camp, learn handwork. Learn any country you did, no excuse. Learn something. You can start be a content creator on Facebook or on YouTube. Then you know that time will come, they will say, start paying you. You cannot be only washer, just to wash people. Let people start washing you. Create something for yourself. Because every one of us are saying Nigeria is not good, Nigeria is not good. Most Nigerian women don't even want to do anything. You will see Chinese small girl, they already know how to do business. Nigerian women, no, excuse. Thank you. See you on my next video. Contact me for your events. I'm available to travel. We are all you want: beauty, makeup, Gele, bridal hairstyle, okuku. My number is there. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next video. Bye. Bye.